Hey friends, it's J Lobos coming back to you on another episode, and today I wanted to talk to you guys out there who are looking for an immediate boost on your credit scores, ways on how to accomplish that through a service that Experian right now is offering called Experian Boost. So for you guys out there checking the channel for the first time, this is J Lobos coming back to you on another episode. So for you guys out there, consider liking, subscribing, commenting, and if you found this to be very educational, go ahead and share this so we can continue the conversation. But let's go ahead and dive in. I wanted to go ahead and talk to you guys about Experian Boost because guess what? The average consumer with poor credit throughout a lifetime usually spends over $200,000 more than a person with good credit through higher interest rates, bigger deposits, bigger down payments, bigger fees because of bad credit. So for you guys out there, either considering maybe of trying to fix your credit, maybe doing a dispute, guess what? It might be a lengthy process. So Experian has created this service, which is called Experian Boost, where they use your phone and your utility bills to look at history, which could capture up to 2 years. Keep in mind that history accounts for 15% of your overall credit score. And as a matter of fact, if you have good payment history, which is the information that's gonna go ahead and get captured, that's gonna take about 35% of your overall credit score, impacting your scores by 50%, which is huge. This is why if you go ahead and allow the service, it has to go ahead and get connected through your checking account, and as long as you've been making payments on time through that process or through that length of time, then it's gonna capture that. Through the new FICO model number 8, they're gonna be able to implement that information and give you guys that boost right away, which is actually pretty fast. So I hope you guys found this information to be very educational. Continue watching because I'm gonna continue to bring you guys a lot of valuable information. Until next time, like, subscribe, and comment.